Hello, viewers. Welcome to Grandma Esohe's cooking vlog. Today we are going to be roasting corn with the air fryer. It's a very easy one. So you get your corn already peeled, put them in the air dryer, air fryer. I mean, not dryer, air fryer, and then you put it on high temperature of about 356 for 15 minutes. And it's very easy to cook, since I found out this method is being very, I like corn. So since I found out the method, instead of all the time using the oven, to roast it, and I like roasted corn. So it's been 15 minutes now. So we're just going to turn it, turn to the other side of the corn, and put it back again for another 15 minutes. And your corn, it's ready. Yay! Air fryer roasted corn. It is ready. You see how beautiful it is, and it smells good as well. And then to make it more of a more delicacy, you rub butter on it. Get it with butter stick, the stick of butter, salted stick of butter, and then you rub it. You rub it on the corn, and it is yummy. It is really yummy. So it's very easy. Just put your corn in your air fryer for 15 minutes on both sides at 356 degrees. That is for my own kind of air fryer. Some of them are not as hot, so you have to know your air fryer. You try it out to know which temperature you should put it. And then using the butter, you rub the butter on it, and it's so yummy. You eat it, you're full. This is 2 corn, because my fry is kind of big, it's small. It's about 5 quarts. So 2 big corn, 2 big cups of corn that can go in there. And that is it. Air fried corn. Yummy. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and give it a thumbs up, and comment.